Pytest, Assert almost equal. How to do Assert almost equal with Pytest for floats without resorting to something like. More specifically, it will be useful to know a neat solution for quickly comparing pairs of float without unpacking them.
You will have to specify what is almost for you. To apply to tuples, or any sequence. Update. Pytest.approx was released as part of Pytest v3.0.0 in 2016. This answer predates it. Use this if you don't have a recent version of Pytest and you understand floating point precision and its impact to your use case. For practically all common scenarios, use Pytest.approx as suggested in this answer.